A deadly storm system has swept across the U.S., bringing violent tornadoes and devastation. At least 16 people have died, with Missouri hit the hardest. 10 fatalities reported as twisters tore through homes overnight. In Arkansas, 3 people lost their lives and 29 others were injured as storms ripped through multiple counties. Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders has released $250,000 from the state's Disaster Recovery Fund to aid affected communities. Rescue teams are on the ground, searching for survivors as the storm moves east. Authorities urge residents to stay alert as the threat continues.